What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and it's Friday, August 26, 2022. And I know I'm 2 days late to do this, but 2 days ago, Hurricane Andrew turned 30 years old. So Andrew is now 30. And this is the Cat 5 hurricane that ripped through the Bahamas, Florida, and Louisiana, and went to the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah, this was a very destructive Cat 5 hurricane. This thing rapidly intensified into a Cat 5 hurricane. Bombogenesis. Right there, if it dropped more than 24 millibars or 24 in 24 hours, but they don't really talk about bombogenesis when it comes to hurricanes. A bomb cyclone is like a totally different storm than a hurricane, even though it has the same features, but still, a hurricane and a bomb cyclone are like two different cousins from each other. Yeah, they're like cousins, but it's just not the same. Like a bomb cyclone could happen in winter, when a hurricane could happen in summer through autumn. So Andrew was a Cat 5 hurricane and had a 922 millibar drop. And it had winds of 174 miles per hour, which is extremely scary. This thing went through the Bahamas as a Cat 4 hurricane, and then it regained Cat 5 intensity, and it made landfall in Florida in Elliott Key. And it devastated a lot of homes. It destroyed many homes. People were homeless, and there were 65 people that got murdered by this monster hurricane. 65 people were killed from this hurricane. And this is known as the 6th strongest hurricane to strike the United States. Especially because it made landfall as a Cat 5 hurricane. Yeah, when you're in a Cat 5 or like a Cat 3 or like a Cat 5 hurricane, like a major hurricane, it looks like War of the Worlds in that storm. Like when you're in a really strong hurricane, it looks like War of the Worlds out there. Because you see all the wind and the rain like moving in one direction. Like the wind looks visible and the rain looks visible. Yeah, it looks like War of the Worlds out there when in a strong hurricane. Yeah, it looks pretty insane. I've seen a lot of major hurricane videos. Like, I saw Hurricane Ida, I saw Hurricane Michael, I saw a lot of those videos. I saw videos of a lot of major hurricanes. Like Michael, Irma, Ida, Maria, Dorian. All these hurricanes I saw videos of on YouTube. Yeah, this hurricane caused a lot of flooding, a lot of very damaging winds. A lot of homes got destroyed, a lot of homes were experiencing some damages, a lot of stuff. And it killed 65 people. And then when it left Florida, it was a Cat 4 hurricane. And then it made landfall in Louisiana to cause more damage in Morgan City as a a low-end Cat 3 hurricane. And then it just weakened and that was it. So Hurricane Andrew was a very serious storm. Yeah, this was a very serious situation right there. And believe it or not, it's so rare to see a name become a major hurricane and have its name retired. Yeah, it doesn't really happen to A names that often. Like, you mostly see A names in the beginning of the season, like in June or May, but the A name that year came in August, and there was a lot of energy in the Atlantic to form that storm into a very strong hurricane. But it doesn't really matter what letter. I mean, any storm could be a Cat 5 or Cat 3 or whatever. Yeah, this thing caused a lot of damage. The name Andrew does not deserve to be on another Atlantic hurricane ever again. I'm glad its name is retired. It really devastated Florida. And then 25 years later, they had Hurricane Irma. It devastated Florida on September 10, 2017 into 9/11 of 2017. So 9/11 hits the US twice, roughly 16 years apart from each other. And there's been a lot going on saying what would Hurricane Andrew look like at this day in Florida if Hurricane Andrew struck Florida in 2022. Yeah, it seems pretty interesting. So Andrew was not a storm to be messed with. This storm is now 30 years old, and this storm will be remembered. Remember, this was the 6th strongest storm, strongest hurricane to strike the United States. So we remember Hurricane Andrew that hit the Bahamas, Florida, and Louisiana. And I guess that's it.